How's it going, guys? It's Luke. We're going to do some Megaminx example solves today. It's going to be fun. Before we get started, be sure and hit that like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified next time I upload a video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so probably going to do something. So first of all my star pieces are here, here, here. The purple one's all the way up there, and the blue one's back here. So we're going to start by putting the blue one in first, and then we're going to move that to here, because then it solves relative to green if I put green in one move. But we're going to wait on green for just a second, and we're going to move the purple one down, and we're going to kind of insert it right there. And then we're going to do green and purple at the same time. And after that, what we're going to do is something like, so we're going to do red. We're going to move it to there, and then we're going to put the yellow right here. And we're just going to insert it, and then yellow is ready to go in right away. And as I was doing that, I saw, first of all, that this would solve this kind of a block thing right here. And then we got this one right here, so we may as well just make kind of an X star, I suppose. And we're going to do it this way. We're going to put this right here, move that like so, and insert it in I guess the top is what you would call that. And then we've got our first F2L piece, F2L pair rather. I see a couple of pieces right here. I do not see hardly anything else in this look, so I'm probably going to be smarter to rotate down. Okay, now I see, okay, I see stuff now. So we got this is a corner, this is, so these two pieces are here, and they're not the greatest. Actually, no, this is really good. So probably something like this. What we can do is move this right here and do an R2 prime insert into the back there. And so we still got this, we've got that. I'm just now noticing this stuff back here. And okay, so this pair we're going to do first. Something like that. And probably move it over here, and then like get the slot ready and move it in. And these two here, these two here are probably going to be the next one. So yep, and then those two are ready. I'll probably pair them up something like this, and then insert it into the bottom here. This is kind of awkward, but it's probably fine. And then we've got these two here. I believe this is my last F2L pair, and then put them in like so. Fairly simple stuff. And for S2L, my color order starts with red, so we're going to start with that, and this is ready right here to insert. So we're going to just go ahead and just put the red edge in right there. It's a kind of an awkward situation because I've got this S2L edge in here with the corner, but we'll just pay attention to that for later, I suppose. Okay, so here's my other edge. Here's a corner. There's the edge for that corner. So what we're going to do, will this work? I think. No. Okay. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to pair this one up like so. Put that back here, and we're going to do a little block building. We're going to move this back here, and then insert it like so. And put that in there. Okay, and then we're going to solve the cream white next. And we're going to pair it up like so. Like so, and pair it up and insert. And now I don't see the pink blue, so we're gonna have to do a rotation, and there it is, nice and simple. So this one actually is kind of nice. We can just do this and then do an F insert. And so my next color is green. And from this angle, the only thing I see is that. And I guess if I looked, I see this as well. But, oh, and that. These are all things that go with green. So we're just going to keep those in mind as we rotate over to green. And, okay, so Here's the edge. So, and then there's that edge back here. So we're just going to go ahead and insert this. And then that creates this. So we're just going to pair it up like so. And insert it into the bottom. And then we have this edge here. Or I'm sorry, this corner. And that edge right there. So we're going to pair it up in the back like so. Bring it down. And do like a U2 insert. And then we're going to be looking for purple next. Okay, so this is actually really nice. We got this right here, so we can pair that S2L pair up really quickly and put that right there, and then we're just going to insert this with a little bit of block building and put it down in there. And then that leaves this one, which is not the greatest situation. Actually, so we'll do an R2, pair it up, and then do that. And then, okay, so next, okay, so we got blue solved already. We may as well take advantage of that. And then this S12 pair is pretty nice, so we're just going to go do that. We're going to pair it up like so, kind of like you would on 3x3. And then we're going to do an R2 insert. Put that in the bottom. We've got this right here, so that's what I saw. It looks like the edge for the other one is right here. So we're just going to go ahead and pair that up. And then we're going to do something I do every now and again. I don't know if this is something I should do, but I do it a lot. And it's just, we're just going to insert it in the back, but we're going to keep my left hand in the same position. We're just going to move my right hand over here and insert this. I do this sometimes because, you know, I might have a pair at the front that I still need to do, and I don't want to do a full rotation. So, yeah, we're going to do that. And then we got our last pair, this one here, and then this one here. I was keeping track of it. So that's fairly simple. Just insert it. And then we're going to orient some edges because I don't know dot OLLs. And okay, then OLL. Oh wait, is this right? This is not right. What? I'm still working on my OLLs, guys. Huh. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, there we go. I'm still working on them, as you can tell. And then an easy PLL. Okay, we'll do one more solve. I was going to do 3, but I think this video is going to run a little long. So what we're going to do here, first of all, no, I'm sorry. First of all my star edges are here, 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 there, and there. So if I do an F2, that puts purple right next to where green needs to be. So I can just insert the 2 right like that. And then I've got yellow right here. I want to try and preserve this pair, by the way, so I'm working on that. And so I'll probably just go ahead and put yellow in. And then blue's ready to go in right next to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the yellow out of the way, the pair that is. I'm going to go ahead and insert blue. And I'm going to need to align the star. And then red's ready to go in with an F2. So blue's over here, that's ready to go. I'm probably just going to go ahead and do that because I don't see anything else nice at the moment. So we're going to rotate. That's kind of an awkward rotation, but we're going to do it anyway. And we're just going to go ahead and insert it in this slot right here, like so. And before I move it back up, I noticed we got this F2L edge here and this F2L, this F2L corner and this F2L edge. So if I just do a U move real quick, that'll pair it up and it's ready to go. And we'll just go ahead and do a solution into the back, like so. And okay, so we got this corner here, the purple and green, and this is the edge here. So I'll probably do something like this, like a insert to get it up here, and then F insert. And we got, I see 2 corners. I do not see edges at the moment. So I'm gonna rotate up to see if I see anything. Okay, there's nothing there. Okay, over here we have something, finally. So we're going to move this over here so it's in line with this. Do an F2 of sorts. And then we're going to insert it into the bottom. Preparing to rotate kind of towards this direction because this edge has got to be somewhere over here, right? So we're going to take note of where that is. Rotate up. Okay, there it is. So what I'm probably going to do here is do this. And then I know that with an R2, this one will be ready to pair up. This is, you know, yeah. Anyways, we're going to pair this up like probably like so, and then just insert it into the bottom. Looking for red pieces. I actually see quite a few right here. We're going to insert that, and then ready to go. So I see this pair, which is not a great one to start because that one's the one that's in the middle here, and I kind of need both red edges to do this one. And then there's also this one here, so I'll probably do that one first and just pair it up, you know, prepare from some block building. And I noticed, by the way, that this is right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and insert that, and then the other edge is right here, so we're just going to move that over, and then we're going to do something like this to put that in, and then you'll notice that corner's right here. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate so I'll solve it in the back with the lefty stuff, which honestly isn't great on Megaminx, but whatever. And then we have this corner, and then I noticed this edge right here, so move it here, set that up, and do something like this. Pair it up, and then solve it into the bottom left. Okay, and then here, okay, so we're going to solve these two like they're an F2L edge, even though, or an S2L edge, even though S2L pair, I'm sorry, even though they're technically not, because this is like the I guess you'd call it like an S2L cross edge, but we're going to do it like that. We're going to put them like this, and we're going to pair them up like so. And then we're going to move this edge up, put it right here, bring this back down, and we've got ourselves a block. Solve that in the bottom. Here's the corner. I do not see the edge. Okay, the edge is right here. So we're going to do U2 prime, and then kind of a weird B2, I guess. And that'll pair everything up, and we'll go ahead and we'll solve it like so. Okay, and then we've got the edge, and then one of the S12 pair corners right here. We're just going to go ahead and rotate. Okay, so I see the edge for that. It looks like this is the corner for the other one, and then here's this. So we're going to go ahead and solve this. And I'm probably going to solve this one first, to be honest. Actually, okay, anyways. We're going to do this to get this corner up to the proper spot. And we're going to go ahead and pair that up. And we're going to go ahead and solve this pair. But as that happened, kind of lucky situation, this paired up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one in here, and I'm going to do an F2 prime. And then this is ready to pair up right here. Another F2 prime. And we've got our, I guess our S12 section covered. Okay, we got another situation where it's a good idea to just go ahead and solve this like a pair, even though it isn't. So we're going to do that, pair it up. I'm actually going to rotate here, and we're going to put this in here, and then the edge for there is right here. So we're just going to go ahead and insert that with an F move insert, and then that leaves. So I've got this here, and I think this is probably going to be the next one. So go ahead and solve that. Bring this up, and that brings it into like a 3-move insert, as you can see. So we're ready there. We're going to go ahead and solve this. It does look like it's going to make this pair a little bit awkward, but yeah, whatever. They're both 3-movers. I could do either one, and they would be fine right now. Okay, we're going to solve that to the left. And then we got this one right here. So the way I solve this on Mega, sometimes on 3x3, is I do like RU, R prime, and then I solve this F12 pair. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel into a sledge here to make it an OLL that I know. This one is... Is this right? This is right? No, this is not right. Okay, I'm sorry. Like I say, I'm still learning OLL. It's this. Okay, there we go. And then PLL. And there it is. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe, turn on the bell. I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you very much for watching.